Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisors channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks, and also we analyze stocks that has attracted a lot of attention during latest trading session. In this case it's a latter situation, and we will speak about Boxlight Corporation traded at NASDAQ, ticker name BOXL. Well, BOXL has actually today shown very interesting, purely kind of traders positive expectation move, and it's actually a very interesting combination of latest two candles after having a long correction, well expected correction, and having positive almost hammer upwards candle one trading session before. Today it caused really overexcitement of traders and was showing big jump here, huge jump with the candle similar to evening star. And to understand this, we need to see what happened actually here. So after June of 8, the stock started really enormous positive upwards wave, which should stock out to extremely overbought situation. Of course, inevitably there was a strong correction. First correction was hesitant at the level of $3, so it was volatile in here. Then after having another dark candle, it jumped down towards moving average 20, which is this green line, and it worked as temporarily support. Well, actually not really as a support, but kind of volatility point or hamper of further downwards correction. And then slowly the correction started further, and just before reaching the moving average 50, which was seemingly another support line, here we see this immediate jump. And the jump occurred because actually the yesterday trading was in this very interesting channel of trade. So it was the lows were similar to previous upwards movement lows of one of the tradings, and actually the highs were the highs of those tradings as well, and also they were coinciding with the top of the candle that happened at May of 18. So it was this combination that caused people to believe here and here that trading in this channel should mean something very positive, and it caused this shoot up here. And now we are in this candle, and this candle is purely evening star, meaning that inevitably further correction should take place. Actually, we should further go down, and the first volatility point which is expected is indeed the moving average 50. So this blue line, let's continue drawing it, and once we reach it, there will be probably another volatility point. Depending on how the charts combination will work, because here is another level, how it will work, what will be momentarily candle situation, it might cause another spike up, or generally speaking it should completely let's say correct itself, and until we really reach levels of moving average 200, which will coincide with another strong supports here. Actually it's kind of the pre-COVID level coinciding with another support. We are not expected to see any significant, any strong correction. Any strong resist, any strong recovery move. But once we reach those levels, it will be very interesting point. So speaking of buying opportunities, if you want to buy safely with some some resistance lines and for downwards or being support for you, it should be first buying happening in these levels, and if any further correction movement down will take place, then it will be another line of defense here where you can buy, and this will start of these levels actually, and there will be also kind of volatility point expected here, and this would be at these levels. So having those said, that these dark circles, two dark circles, would be the nice buying options with area in between for some strong volatility play here. And before that it will be a strong correction. There will be some spiking, of course, in this area, but it will be purely the casino style. So everything that is in this blue box is purely casino style volatility, emotions manipulation. I don't want really to call it stock manipulation, but it's purely emotion manipulation. That's exactly what happened today. It was purely emotion manipulation based on a very interesting chart, very interesting candle formation, and we have another evening star. And if you look downwards channel here, it's clear, it's coming like that, and it's showing actually where it will go further, and it limits any possible other, let's make it very thick, it limits any possible other upwards volatility. So this will be volatility hamper here. And there is also a positive trend, of course, positive channel. So once we have these channels seeing each other, which will probably coincide with this dark circle, because this entire thing could be moved towards right, then we could see first interesting movements upwards, or if further piercing takes place, then indeed the second circle would be a good point to buy. So you should be very cautious, very careful here. This stock was showing extreme upwards behaviors, and therefore if it's not supported as clearly seen by this downgrade, by this correction, we could have further correction. Extreme volatilities are expected here, but now you know what's happening, what are the trading channels, so you can safely buy and sell the BOXL. Very interesting stock though, risky, but risks also come with opportunities. That was about BOXL. Good luck with it, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.